Hi everyone! Welcome to our Much and More adventure. Are you ready to learn something amazing today? Today we will learn two super fun words, much and more. Yeah! Hi friends! Today we're going to learn about much and more. Look, I have 1 block here and 2 blocks here. 2 is more than 1. Can you show me much with your hands? Let's learn much first. We use much for things we cannot count. You cannot count water like this. That's honey, right? Much. Let's start with much. We use much for things we cannot count. You cannot say 1 water, 2 water, right? How much water is in the glass? There is too much milk. How much water is in the glass? There is too much milk. Much is for things you cannot count. Much is for things like water, milk, and sand. Now let's learn more. This plate has more apples than that one. More means a bigger amount, or when we compare. I want more juice. She has more toys. Let's compare together. Much cannot count. More, bigger amount or comparing. Your turn, say much or more. Want water? Much, yay! Want cookies? More! You're amazing learners. Your turn, say much or more. Much, yay! Much cookies? More! Your turn, say much or more. Water? Much! Yay! Cookies? You're amazing learners! At my picnic, I have much juice. But my friend has more sandwiches. Maybe I should share. At my picnic, I have much water. But my friend has more apples. I brought much milk. But she has more cookies. There is much lemonade in my bottle, but they have more cupcakes. I packed much yogurt, but my friend has more fruits. I have much tea in my cup, but she has more snacks. Let's remember what we learned today. Much is for things we cannot count. Like water, milk, or sand. They flow. We don't count them. Like water, milk, or sand. They flow. We don't count them. More is for a bigger amount, or when we compare things. Let's think together. If I have water, I say much water. More is for a bigger amount, or when we compare things. But if I see 2 plates, I say more apples. Now you try. Can we count juice?
Can we count cookies?
Let's practice at home. How much milk is there? Who has more apples? If it's much, touch your head. If it's more, clap your hands. Let's try a challenge. Much. For toys, more. You're doing amazing! Remember, much, no numbers. More, comparing numbers. You worked so hard today, and I am so proud of you. Now you know when to use much and when to use more. See you next time, little Lunars.